The world is full of breathtaking landscapes and stunning natural wonders. From towering mountains to cascading waterfalls, our planet is truly a sight to behold. Including hundreds of high-quality, professionally shot videos of the most beautiful places on Earth, from the lush forests of the Pacific Northwest to the sun-drenched beaches of the Caribbean. Our collection has it all. Now you can experience these wonders in all their glory. And the best part, this video collection is completely digital, so you can access it from anywhere in the world. Use these footage in your next project, or simply enjoy it for its own sake. The possibilities are endless. Don't wait any longer. Order now and experience the breathtaking beauty of our planet like never before. Send me a message for further information. And have a nice day.